The Lost Book of Remedies is a treasure trove of safe, effective remedies that can be found in abundance all around us. Over the past year or so, this book has become a bestseller online, selling thousands of copies to readers around the world. If you're looking for one resource that will give you all the information you need about herbal remedies, this is it. It teaches you self-sufficiency, nutrition, how to prepare remedies, and the information is tried and tested. You couldn't ask for more. Click the first link below to get the Lost Book of Remedies for a discounted price now from the official website. Let's see what this Lost Book is all about. 300 pages of detailed information. The Lost Book of Remedies is a comprehensive book of natural remedies. It has 300 pages with detailed information on just about any remedy you may need for the most common ailments. This is the only book of natural remedies you'll ever need. You'll find everything you need to know about commonly found herbs and how to use them for everyday purposes and which herbs to avoid. The instructions in the book are detailed and you're shown how to prepare the recipes step by step. Most of the plants, herbs required for the recipes can be easily obtained. So, no worries here. Click the first link below to get the Lost Book of Remedies for a discounted price now from the official website. Too big to read at one go? Well, the truth is it's not supposed to be read in one go. The idea is to pick and choose the remedies that apply to you. Try the remedy out and see how it works for you. Do not think of reading this book from cover to cover like a novel. It's more of a practical guide that needs to be applied. Written by experts in herbal remedies, the authors, Claude Davis and Dr. Nicole Appelian, are experts in their own right and know what they're talking about. In fact, the official website has a video of Dr. Nicole speaking and she comes across as a very credible authority. Click the first link below to get the Lost Book of Remedies for a discounted price now from the official website. Very often, the videos on sales pages don't feature real people. It's always whiteboard drawings or images with voiceovers or even cartoons. So, having the product creator talking about the product makes everything look legit and above board. Natural remedies using easily available herbs. The remedies in this guide can be used to treat indigestion, inflammation, hypertension, the common cold, and much more. You're spoiled for choice. This is a good thing because holistic remedies may not work on everyone. While ginger tea may work wonders for one person, it may have no effect on another. That's just how it is. So, having a variety of recipes gives you more options to treat the condition and see which one works for you. Click the first link below to get the Lost Book of Remedies for a discounted price now from the official website. Information you can use in a survival situation. Learning how to take care of your own treatment is something that you can use regularly in your daily life. But that's under normal circumstances. What else makes this knowledge so valuable is that you'll be able to use the information in the event of a survival situation. If you're ever hiking and get lost in the woods, you'll know which herbal remedies are safe for you to take if needed. A survival event could create the type of living situation that's going to last for a while, such as the fallout after a widespread fire or the chaos of an earthquake or other natural disasters. When these things happen, medicine is not always available. While you might be able to make it through a headache or something minor, which is inconvenient at most, you would need to know how to treat yourself if you have a more serious condition and the medication you normally get from the pharmacy isn't something that you have access to. Click the first link below to get the Lost Book of Remedies for a discounted price now from the official website. Saves you money in the long run. Once you learn how to heal yourself or treat conditions on your own, you can become self-sufficient. That means that you don't have to worry about sticker shock because you won't have to run to the pharmacy to take care of your health. After you've studied the lessons on natural remedies, you'll be able to treat yourself when you have symptoms. Increase your knowledge and understanding of natural remedies. Natural remedies have been around for thousands of years, and the best thing about them is they treat various ailments effectively without nasty drug side effects. The reason more people don't take advantage of these natural aids is simple: they just don't know how, and obtaining that information seems overwhelming. Because of this, they avoid using them altogether. Click the first link below to get the Lost Book of Remedies for a discounted price now from the official website. But this lack of knowledge is detrimental to your wallet and to your well-being. Once you uncover how to use natural remedies, you'll have the freedom to treat what's ailing you. But more than that, you'll have the knowledge to understand the root cause of your symptoms. Once the root cause is treated, in many cases, you can experience complete healing of certain conditions. But you do have to know what remedy to use, when to use it, how much and for what length of time. You'll be able to understand what you can use to treat headaches, what kind of natural remedies act as antibiotics, and more. Click the first link below to get the Lost Book of Remedies for a discounted price now from the official website. Digital download. The Lost Book of Remedies is a digital download. You can access it immediately upon payment. No waiting. You could be brewing a natural remedy within 20 minutes of purchase. That's fantastic. Where to buy the Lost Book of Remedies? You can buy the Lost Book of Remedies at several online bookstores, but I highly recommend buying it directly from the source. When you buy it from here, you get 2 bonuses, the 72 Square Feet Garden of Medicine, and the Disaster Medicine booklet. Both of these books are super useful and interesting. The author of these bonus books, Claude Davis, is an expert survivalist, so you can trust the information in these books. The product is backed by a 60-day money-back guarantee. There are 0 risks here for you. You can always get a refund if you're not satisfied with your purchase. Click the first link below to get the Lost Book of Remedies for a discounted price now from the official website. How to use the Lost Book of Remedies? The best way to manage this will be to pick and choose the remedies that interest you. Then you can try them out and see how they work for you. You do not need to read this book from cover to cover. It's more of a practical guide that needs to be applied. The one drawback you should be aware of: this is not a small book. It's a tome. While lots of information is good, at 300 pages, the amount of information can be overwhelming to some people. There's no audiobook for this guide. Those who dislike reading will not be too pleased. Nevertheless, in small chunks, this book is palatable. Click the first link below to get the Lost Book of Remedies for a discounted price now from the official website. Should you buy the Lost Book of Remedies? Yes. There's no other book quite like it. This is a very comprehensive resource that can almost be considered the benchmark for the topic of herbal remedies. The 2 added bonuses add tremendous value to your purchase when you buy it from here. Start by watching the video on the page so you can then make a more informed decision. The author, Claude Davis, is a very experienced survivalist who truly knows his stuff. His co-author, Dr. Nicole Appelian, is a qualified biologist who has been featured on the History Channel. They're not a bunch of unqualified hippies nibbling on weeds and roots. Click the first link below to get the Lost Book of Remedies for a discounted price now from the official website. Their information is on point and very useful. With current farming practices, our foods are usually cultivated on nutrient-deficient soil. As a result, foods today lack the nutrients and benefits that our ancestors used to enjoy. With poorer nutrition, health issues are on the rise. Herbal remedies will help boost your immune system and pick up the slack. You'll not need to spend a bomb on supplements at your local GNC. These herbal remedies are so good that you'll see and feel the difference once you make them a part of your life. Click the first link below to get the Lost Book of Remedies for a discounted price now from the official website. The Lost Book of Remedies is more than a book. It's a lifestyle choice. If you wish to reclaim your health and enjoy the natural benefits of herbs, this book is all you need. Get it, and more importantly, use it. Use it often. Overall, the product is definitely value for money. Knowledge is power, and the knowledge you gain from this book will change your outlook on managing your health. My final recommendation is to pick the Lost Book of Herbal Remedies from its official website in the first link below, follow it up, and then come back here again to let us know what you think about it. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more useful content.